Why do 80% of teens dream about social media stardom? It's not just about the glitz and glamour, it's about the influence and the ability to connect with millions of people worldwide. Imagine having a platform where your voice can be heard, your creativity can shine, and your passions can inspire others. Because they know it's the quickest way to fame and fortune. But it's not just about the money, it's about the opportunities that come with it. From brand deals to collaborations, the possibilities are endless. All right, future superstar, listen up. If you want to make it big, you need to have a game plan. It's not just about posting random content, it's about being strategic and intentional with every move you make. Step 1, find your niche. This is crucial because it sets you apart from the millions of other creators out there. Whether it's gaming, makeup, or just being hilariously you, pick what makes you shine. Your niche is your unique selling point, and it's what will attract your audience. Step 2. Consistency is key. This means posting regularly and sticking to a schedule. Post regularly. No one's going to remember you if you post once a month. Consistency helps build trust and keeps your audience engaged. And don't forget to engage. Engagement is a two-way street. Reply to comments, share stories, and be part of the community. This builds a loyal fan base and makes your followers feel valued. Step 3, quality over quantity. High-quality content is more likely to be shared and remembered. Invest in good lighting and a decent camera. These tools can make a huge difference in how your content is perceived. Even in a cyberpunk world, nobody likes blurry vids. Clear, high-definition videos are more engaging and professional. Finally, collab like there's no tomorrow. Collaborations can introduce you to new audiences and create exciting content. Find other creators, do duets, challenges, whatever gets you seen and shared. The more you collaborate, the more you grow. So what are you waiting for? The world of social media is vast and full of opportunities. Get out there and start creating. Your journey to stardom begins with that first post. The social media fame train is leaving the station. All aboard, don't miss your chance to shine. And before you go, make sure to follow us on YouTube for more tips and tricks on becoming a social media star. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.